Hello, and welcome to You're Not Broken. I am Travis Woodley. I am clinician and author of the new book, You're Not Broken, You're Unbalanced. Just recently released on Amazon. I hope you pick up your copy today. But hey, if you're holding this book or you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you've already tried doing all the right things, yet you still don't feel like yourself. You're tired. Your sleep is shallow. Your weight won't budge. Your focus comes and goes. Maybe your labs say that you're normal, but you feel anything but normal. But here's the thing I want you to hear. Feeling off is not a character flaw. It's physiology. You're not broken. You're out of balance. And your balance can be rebuilt. So, what is balance? It's not a slogan, it's how your biology actually runs. Your body keeps score through hormones, nerves, the immune system, your gut, your metabolism. When the signals get noisy or they drift out of rhythm, symptoms show up. They don't show up to punish you. They show up and say, hey, something's going on here. We need a little focus. So this book, this channel, they exist to translate that something. I'm going to translate that something into a clear, do this next step plan. It's not going to be a stack of hacks. It's not going to be a 30-day miracle. It's going to be a roadmap. It's going to be a roadmap that brings the signals back into rhythm so your body starts responding again. So you start feeling like yourself again. So, we're taught every day to chase symptoms in isolation. Add a supplement for energy, a diet for weight, a pill for sleep, a prescription for this. We get short bursts of effort and we have burnout. Meanwhile, our core systems, sleep, insulin, inflammation, sex hormones, thyroid, microbiome, your stress response, they all stay out of sync. That's why you could be normal on paper or your labs can be normal, yet you still feel awful in real life. Ranges are broad. Context matters. Order matters. Your inputs, light, food quality, timing, movement, stress, recovery. They all teach our biology what to do next. So, how are we going to rebuild this? We're going to rebuild it step by step. Number one, we're going to start with rhythm first. We're going to repair our sleep and stress timing so cortisol and melatonin can start doing their jobs again. We're going to create a simple, repeatable day, morning light, a consistent sleep window, wind down time that actually works. Number two, metabolic and gut signals. We're going to improve our insulin sensitivity. We're going to lower our inflammation. We're going to focus on ingredient level nutrition, protein anchored meals, post meal workouts, fiber, and real food that your microbiome can work with. Number three, hormones. We're going to talk about hormones for women, men. We're going to make sense of estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid, DHEA, how they interact with stress, sleep, metabolism. We're going to discuss things like BHRT and how you can have an educated conversation with your clinician. Number four, strength that lasts. We're going to build muscle and mitochondria with short, sustainable sessions. We're going to talk about pushes, pulls, hinges, squats, carries. We're not going to do any kind of gym heroics here. We're going to do repeatable work that moves you forward. This order matters. When the base is steady or your base is steady, everything above it becomes easier. So, how are we going to make these decisions? We're going to use symptoms and labs together, not one without the other. You'll learn why fasting insulin can reveal problems A1C misses, why ApoB is a better risk signal than total cholesterol, why a full thyroid panel such as TSH, free T4, free T3, reverse T3, they beat a single number. We're going to keep it in plain spoken and practical so you have real conversations with your clinician. This is not a grit harder. It's not a one supplement to fix everything. It's a patient first framework that breaks big change into small steps, done in the right order so momentum replaces overwhelm. So, what does the change feel like? Now, as balance returns, here's what you're going to notice energy that shows up earlier, And guess what? It's going to last all day. Fewer crashes and steadier hunger. We're going to have deeper sleep at night. We're going to have easier mornings. We're going to just pop out of bed and be ready to go. We're going to have clearer thinking. We're going to have better mood. We're going to have a body that actually finally responds again. So this is why I wrote this book. I spent years in the hospital watching crisis that began years earlier. You know, those people, they didn't need blame at the time. They needed a roadmap prior. So this book is that map. It's going to be simple, evidence-based steps that bring physiology back into rhythm so your life feels like it's yours again. So, are you ready to start? If you haven't got this book already, let's go to Amazon and get this book. It's your blueprint. Subscribe to this channel. You know, each week I'm going to walk you through rhythms, metabolism, hormones, sleep, strength, labs, all in doable steps. That way you can actually get your life back. You know, you can go to our website as well. You can go to rebuildmetabolichealth.com where you can grab extra resources there that you can have discussions with your clinicians. We're going to be posting stuff on there each week. So I'm going to leave you with this. You're not broken. You're out of balance, and your balance can and will be rebuilt. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.